I should like. Hurry up! Oh, that's cute.
I'm filming.
The bumblebee. Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Here, I'm
Yeah,
saying.
Why not? Because you got all this
Either you or
movement.
your head shall be off.
There, go to film her.
You choose.
Nope, not me.
I want to film this one too. She's funny.
Either you or your head shall be off.
I'm
Donna.
just part of the film crew,
Oh,
ma'am.
I'm sorry. What's your face's name?
I am the Queen of Hearts.
Yeah. Yeah, you are.
I'm looking for Alice because she is going to be coming up against my Jabba Baby Wookie.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, we don't know.
And who wins?
My Jabba Baby Wookie always wins.
You know what? I don't think I have enough birds. Look at this picture. I don't have enough birds, huh? I do? Serious? It doesn't look like it. It looks, I mean, you look at the picture. And it looks,
She has a lot of head to be off with.
it looks like I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 birds.
No, it doesn't.
That's so funny. Twice now.